Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to clear your credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the not very bottom here in order to find the security and location. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the encryption and credentials section, so let's tap. Here at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just confirm it with OK, and actually that's all. You just successfully removed all the certificates from your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.